What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today I'm super excited to check out UAG's cases for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. We've got the Metropolis LT Pro, the Plyo Pro, the Monarch Pro, and the Monarch. Now, one of the really cool features about their Pro cases is the fact that they have a built-in magnet so they can be used with anything that has MagSafe technology in it. You have somebody else that uses iPhone, you can now use their accessories with your Galaxy phone. Now, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick up any of these cases yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have the Metropolis LT Pro case. It's made with Kevlar, it's got the built-in MagSafe technology, and it's also been drop tested up to 18 feet. So here is the case itself. There is the Kevlar on the back. It's got a really nice design to it. In the inside, it's just a textured plastic material. Let's go ahead and put our phone in here. Feels nice in the hand. Buttons. Very clicky, easily accessible. Very nice. It's not grippy, but it's also not slippery either. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it adds just a little bit of bulk to the phone. It has a raised edge on the top and the bottom for screen protection. On the other side here, as you can see, we have our power button and our volume rockers. If we look at the bottom here, as you can see, we have a cutout for our S Pen, speaker port, and charging port. You can very easily get to your S Pen. If we look at the back, as you can see, this is where the Kevlar is. Very nice. It's got the precise cutouts for your camera lenses, and it also has a little recession to help protect your camera lenses when you put your phone on its back. And if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, no problems there either. Now, if you happen to have a MagSafe accessory, like I said before, I have this power bank here. We'll turn it on. All you need to do is simply click it onto the back of the case, and it charges up your phone. And as you can see, it does hold onto the case pretty well. And the case is also reinforced in the corners as well. In case you happen to drop your phone on the corner, you know that your phone's going to be protected and not have any damage. This is a really nice case. I do love the fact that it has this Kevlar on the back and it fits the phone perfectly. So I'm going to give this case a thumbs up. And then here we have the Plyo Pro case. It's been drop tested up to 16 feet and it has the MagSafe magnet built in. So if you want to protect your phone and still show off the color of your phone, this is definitely one you're going to want to take a look at. So this case is grippy, feels nice in the hand. Buttons, easily accessible and clicky. Very nice. And they protrude pretty much off of the case so you can very easily find them. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the phone. It's got a nice raised edge on the top and the bottom. On the side here, as you can see, your power button and your volume rockers, which are separated. On the bottom here, we have our cutout for our S Pen, speaker, and charging port. And if we look at the edges here, you can see the reinforcement now because it is clear. If we look at the back here, as you can see, it shows off the color of your phone very nicely, and it's got that built-in MagSafe magnet. It's got the precision cutouts for your camera lenses, and it also has a little recession to help protect those lenses as well. As far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to have some pretty good fingerprint rejection. I don't see really any fingerprints, so that's definitely a plus. It's got that nice UAG logo on the bottom. That's a very nice case. And again, if you're wondering about wireless charging, no problems there. Now, because the case is clear, you can actually see where the MagSafe magnet is, and I have my MagSafe battery bank here. We'll just clip it onto the back of the case. And it starts to charge your phone. So cool. And again, it holds onto the case pretty well. It's a very nice case, and it will offer you some pretty good protection for your phone. So I would definitely give this case a thumbs up. And then here we have the UAG Monarch case. This one's been drop tested up to 20 feet, and it's got the built-in carbon fiber. So here it is. That carbon fiber looks so cool. It's nice and smooth. It's got that spine in the back. These do not have the built-in MagSafe technology, but they still offer some really good protection for your phone. Some would argue some of the best. I love the way that these cases look. What do you guys think? So there it is on our phone. Feels good in the hand. It's not grippy, but it's not slippery either. Buttons on the side are clicky, easily accessible. Very nice. If we look at the side here, it adds just a little bit of extra bulk to the phone, but it does have that raised edge on the top and the bottom of the screen, and it's got the serration on the side to help with the grip. We look at the side here, as you can see, we have our power button, our volume rockers, which are pretty prominent. On the bottom here, we have our S Pen cutout, our speaker grill, our charging port. Again, you can very easily get to your S Pen without any issues. And on the back here, it's got that nice carbon fiber inlay with that nice hard spine to give your phone case some rigidity and protect your phone. It also has a nice deep recession to protect those camera lenses, and the camera cutouts are precisely cut. Very nice case. This is one of their more expensive cases too. Again, it feels nice in the hand. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no problems there either. And again, these cases are reinforced pretty much all around the case, especially in the back. So if you happen to drop your phone, these are going to give you the best drop protection possible. I really like this case, and I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the UAG Monarch Pro. This one's been drop tested up to 25 feet. It's got built-in Kevlar, and this one also has the built-in MagSafe magnet. This case is really cool. This is probably by far one of my most favorite cases that UAG makes. I absolutely love the fact that it's got that built-in MagSafe magnet, because I do have a charger in my car that I use with my iPhone, and now I can use it with my Galaxy device as well. It also has these nice, really cool red accents in the corners. Just makes it gives it that much more detail when you have little things just like that. It does have a nice hard backing surrounded by the nice soft rubber on the sides. Phone in here. Very nice case. It does feel nice in the hand. Again, it's not slippery, but it's not grippy either. Buttons, easily accessible, clicky, and you can find them easy because they kind of protrude off of the case. Again, this is also reinforced in all of the edges. In case you happen to drop your phone, you know your phone is definitely going to be protected. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it does have a raised edge on the top and the bottom. It does add a little bit of bulk to the phone, not a lot. It's got that nice honeycomb design on the side to help with grip. On the other side, as you can see, we have our power button and our volume rockers. On the bottom here, as you can see, we have our S Pen cutout that is easily accessible, no problems there. We have our charging port and our speaker grill. And then if we look at the back, as you can see again, you got that MagSafe ring here. It's got the Kevlar inlay all around it. Those accents. It's got a nice deep recession to protect those camera lenses, and the cutouts are very precise. I absolutely love the way that this case looks. And if we look at the case again, as you can see, it kind of gives it protection where it needs it most, and then it cuts in to try to keep it slim and goes out again around the corners, and that's pretty much where you're going to need your drop protection. So definitely liking that. But this is really a nice case. And if you guys are wondering again about wireless charging, no problems there. With any wireless charger, you should be able to charge through this case. And again, if you happen to have a MagSafe charger like I do here, it simply just clicks right onto the back and it charges your phone. So I absolutely love the Monarch series, and the Pro is even better because it's got that MagSafe technology. I absolutely love this case, and I'm definitely going to give this one a thumbs up. So these are some of the best cases that UAG makes that I believe for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So what did you guys think? Out of these four, which cases are your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.